Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Let us see some questions in mensuration topic. Length of the carpet of D meters wide required to cover a room of length L and breadth B is given by area of the room, that is L into B by width of the carpet. Let us see a question. When 111 meters of carpet will cover a floor of 18.5 meters by 7.5 meters, what is the width of the carpet? According to the above formula, length of the carpet required is equal to length into breadth by width. Length of the carpet required is 111 meters. Length is 18.5 into breadth is 7.5. We should find D value. So D is equal to 18.5 into 7.5 by 111. On cancellation we get D value is equal to 1.25. D is equal to 1.25 meters. That is the width of the carpet required. Question number 2. The dimensions of the floor of a rectangular hall are 4 meters and 3 meters. The floor of the hall is to be filled with tiles of 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters rectangles without breaking the tiles to smaller size. The number of tiles required are, the number of tiles is equal to area of the floor by area of tiles. As the room measurements are given in meters and tile measurements are given in centimeters, convert these meters into centimeters. That is, area of the floor is 400 centimeters into 300 centimeters by 8 centimeters into 6 centimeters. On cancellation, this is 1 times, 50 times, 1 times and 50 times. 50 into 50 is 2500 tiles are required. Question number 3. A hall of 39 meters 10 centimeters long and 35 meters 70 centimeters broad is to be paved with the equal square tiles. Find the largest tiles so that the tiles exactly fit and also find the number of tiles required. Side of the largest possible square is HCF of length and breadth of the room. Now the HCF of 39.10 and 35.70 is 1.70 is the HCF. Now number of tiles required is length into breadth by HCF square. Length is 39.10 and breadth is 35.70 by HCF is 1.70 whole square. Calculating, we get the values as 483 square tiles are required to pave the room. A rectangular garden has 5 meters wide road outside around all the 4 sides. The area of the road is 600 meters square. What is the ratio between length and breadth of the plot? We have discussed the formula for this type of questions in the rectangle topic. Once again, let us see the formula. Formula for this is area of the path is 2 into width into length plus breadth plus 2 into width. Substitute the values. Substituting, area is equal to 600 meters. W is equal to 5. From this we get 30. 60 is equal to length plus breadth plus 10. L plus B is equal to 50. We got the sum of the length and breadth as 50. But we don't know the length and breadth. So we cannot find the ratio between length and breadth. So the answer is data is inadequate to find the length and breadth of the plot. Data inadequate. Let us see a note point. If rectangular garden is x meters long and y meters broad, it is provided with the pavement of d meters wide all around it, both its inside and outside. Then the total area of the pavement is. Here the blue one is the rectangle. A path is provided both inside and outside. That is indicated in the red. So the width of the path is d. Area of the pavement is given by 4d into x plus y. That is 4 into width into length plus breadth. If the same condition with the square is given, the area of the pavement is 8d into x. Another model, if there are two perpendicular roads in a rectangle of width d and length is L and breadth is b, area of this path is d into L plus b minus d. And lawn or grass area, the leftover part is the lawn area, which is equal to length minus width into breadth minus width. If it is square, area of the path is d into 2L minus d. Lawn area is L minus d whole square. Another note, if sides of a rectangle are in the ratio A is to B, area is A meter square, then the sides are given by. First side is equal to root of A into A by B. Second side is root of A into B by A. That is the inverse ratio. And in the triangle case, if base and height of the triangle are in the ratio x is to y, area is A meter square, then base is given as 2A into x by y. Then height is given as root of 2A into y by x, that is inverse ratio. Let us see a problem. Question number 5. The sides of the rectangle are in the ratio 3 is to 2. Area is given as 726 square meters. Find these sides. Substituting the values in the above formula. First side is root of A into 3 by 2. A value is 726 into 3 by 2. 2 3s, 2 6 and 2 3s. Keep this in root. 363 into 3 is 1089. 1089 root is 33 meters. Second side is equal to root of a into 2 by 3. A value is 726 into 2 by 3. 3 2 6, 3 4 12 and 3 2 is 6. Keep this in root. The root of 484 is, second side is 22 meters. Question number 6. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. The cost of cultivating the field at the rate of rupees 36.72 per hectare is rupees 495.72. Find the base and height of the triangle. From the question, the base and height ratio is 3:1. First, we should find the area of the triangular field. Area can be found by the total cost by cost per hectare. The total cost is 495.72 by per hectare it is 36.72. We get 27 by 2 hectares is the area of the triangular field. Now substituting the values in the formula, base is equal to 2 into A, that is 27 by 2 into ratio is 3 by 1. Keep this in root, which is equal to 900 meters is the base of the triangular field. Now according to the formula, height is 2 into 27 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is the inverse ratio. Cancel. We get this as 300 meters. Here 27 by 2 is in hectares. Here also 27 by 2 is in hectares, but we should find the base and height in meters. Now let us start the topic, regular polygon. Area of a regular polygon if each side is given. Area is n by 4 into cot of pi by n into side square. Here n is the number of sides. Question number 7. Find the area of a regular hexagon whose side is 9 centimeters. Substituting the values in the above formula, area is equal to n is, hexagon has 6 sides. So 6 by 4 into cot of pi. Pi value is 180 by n is 6 into side is 9 square. Calculating this, 3 by 2 cot 30 into 9 square. Cot 30 value is root 3. So 3 root 3 by 2 into 9 square, 210.4 centimeter square. This is the approx value. Here are some formulas related to regular polygon. There is a regular polygon of n sides. Length of each side is a meters. Then the sum of the interior angles is given by n minus 2 into pi. Here n should be greater than or equal to 3. Value of each interior angle is n minus 2 into pi by n. Here n is the number of sides. Sum of the exterior angles is 2 pi. Value of each exterior angle is 2 pi by n. Sum of each interior and exterior angle is pi. Perimeter of the regular polygon is n into a. A is the side. 8th question. Find the perimeter of a regular pentagon. Each of sides 6 meters. Find the sum of the interior and the exterior angles of the pentagon. Sum of the interior and the exterior angles is given by pi. That is 180 degrees. Now the perimeter is given by n into a. N is the number of sides, that is 5. A is 6 centimeters, which is equal to perimeter is 30 centimeters. Question number 9. The radius of the circle is 1 centimeter. It makes 10 revolutions. The distance travelled by it is, number of revolutions formula is d by 2 pi r, that is the circumference. D is the distance travelled. Number of revolutions is 10 here. Distance we should find, so d 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 1. Now d is equal to 10 into 2 into 22 by 7, which is equal to 62.8 centimeters is the distance travelled. Question number 11. If the wheel of the engine of a train is 42 by 7 meters in circumference, make 7 revolutions in 4 seconds. The speed of the train in kilometers per hour is, the distance travelled is 42 by 7 into 7, which is equal to 30 meters is the distance travelled by the wheel. Now the speed per second is distance by time, that is 30 meters for 4 seconds. To convert this into kilometers per hour, 30 by 4 into 18 by 5. 6 times 9, which is equal to 27 kilometers per hour is the speed. Question number 12. A room 8 meters long, 6 meters broad and 3 meters high has 2 windows of dimensions 1 by 2 meters and 1 meter and a door of dimensions 2 meters into 1 by 2 meters. Find the cost of papering the walls with the paper of 50 centimeters wide at the rate of 25 pice per meter. Now area of the walls is 2 into length is 8 and breadth is 6 into height is 3. So the area of walls is 84 meters square. Now area of 2 windows and a door is 2 windows 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 plus door dimensions are 2 into 1 by 2. We get this as 6 meters square. Now area to be covered with paper is 84 minus 6, which is equal to 78 meters square should be covered with the paper. Now the length of the paper required is area by the width of the paper, that is 78 by 50. But here 78 is in meters and 50 is in centimeters. So convert this into centimeters. We get this as 156 meters. Now the cost is 25 pies per meter. So for 156 meters, it is 156 into 25 by 100. Once and 4 times. The cost is rupees 39 rupees. Here consider the circle which is of radius r meter. It is in the red color. A path is or a road is inside the circle which is in blue color of width w. Now the area of the road is w into c minus pi w. Here w is the width of the road and c is the circumference. In the second case, here red circle is of radius r and a road of width w is outside this circle, outside the circle. Now the road area is w into c plus pi w. Here c is the circumference and w is the width of the road outside the circle. Question number 13. The circumference of a circular garden is 1012 meters. Find the area outside the garden. A road of width 3.5 meters wide runs around it. Calculate the area of the road and find the cost of graveling it at the rate of 32 pies per meter square. Now the area of the road is w into c plus pi w. Now substituting the values, w is 3.5, circumference is 1012 plus pi value is 22 by 7 and c value is 3.5. We get the area of the ring shaped road is 3.5 into 1023, which is equal to 383580.5 meters square. This is the area of the ring shaped road. Now the cost of graveling is 3580.5 into 0.32, which is equal to 1145.76 rupees. Another model, area of the shaded portion. In this image, the formula is pi theta by 360 degrees into r1 square minus r2 square. Question number 14. Here theta is 45 degrees, r2 is 6 and r1 is 8. Substituting these values in this formula, 45 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r1 square is 64 minus r2 square is 36. 64 minus 36, that is 28. 7 4 times. On calculating, we get the area of the shaded portion is 11 meters square. Question number 15. The equilateral triangle of 2 meters side with all the 3 corners as the centers, circles are described each of radius 1 meter. Calculate the area common to all the 3 circles and the triangle. Second one is find the remaining area of the triangle. Here ABC is the equilateral triangle. So each angle is 60 degrees in an equilateral triangle. Now the area of each sector is pi theta by 360 degrees into r square. Substituting these value as 60 here, we get area of each sector is 1 by 6 pi r square. So there are 3 sectors like this. So the sum of areas of these 3 sectors is 3 into 1 by 6 pi r square. This is 1 by 2 pi r square. In the given question, r is equal to 1. So substituting r is equal to 1, 1.57 meter square is the area of these 3 sectors. Now the remaining portion area, that is the shaded region, is triangle area minus 1.57 meter square. Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Here a is 2, that is side of the equilateral triangle. Here 4 and 2 square gets cancelled. Root 3 minus 1.57. The value is 1.732 minus 1.57. We get the value as 0.162 meter square is the area of the remaining portion. Question number 16. The diameter of a coin is 1 centimeter. If 4 of these coins be placed on a table so that the rim of each touches that of the other 2, find the area of the unoccupied space between them. Here take the value of pi as 3.1416. Here diameter is 1 centimeter, so radius is 0.5 centimeter. Now area of the each sector. Here theta value is 90 degrees as this is a square. Pi into 90 by 360 into r square. 1s and 4s, 1 by 4 pi r square. Now the sum of areas of all these 4 sectors is 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. The sum of areas of 4 sectors is pi r square. Here r is 1 by 2. So 4 sector area is pi by 4. Remaining portion area is square area minus pi by 4. Here a is equal to 1. So square area is 1 square minus pi by 4. That is 4 minus pi by 4. We get this as 3 by 14, which is equal to 0.215 meter square is the area of the remaining portion. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer One Name channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.